Differences between sexual and asexual reproduction. The first point, sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, sexual reproduction, it involves the fusion of male and female gamete, whereas asexual reproduction, so A means without, it does not without sexual, so therefore it does not involve the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes, whereas asexual or simply without sexual reproduction does not involve the fusion of male and female gametes. Sexual reproduction, it requires usually two different individuals. It requires two different individuals, males and females, whereas asexual reproduction, it requires only one individual. The individuals produced are not identical to their parents. In sexual reproduction, the individuals produced are not identical to their parents, whereas in case of asexual reproduction, the individual produced are identical to their parents. Hence, they are called clones. Okay, here the offsprings are identical to parents. Here in sexual reproduction, offsprings are not identical to their parents. Most animals reproduce sexually. Plants have both sexual and asexual mode of reproduction, whereas asexual reproduction are found in simple organisms such as fungi and algae. Sexual reproduction is a slow process, whereas asexual reproduction is a fast process. Sexual reproduction has evolutionary importance, whereas asexual reproduction is not evolutionarily important.